voices of the past. They sing of peace beyond the storm, of love that time could never cast. I dream of wings that soar, not into war but into peace, where deep our hearts are whole again, and ancient cries at the last may cease. In my forever dream we walk as one beneath the skies. The shattered tower stands anew, and hope returns where sorrow